Welcome to this detailed review of Nolo, a leading website offering a wide range of legal resources and services. Whether you're an individual seeking advice on personal legal matters or a business owner in need of legal tools, Nolo provides a robust platform designed to cater to diverse legal needs. Let's dive into the website's features and functionalities to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Starting with the homepage, Nolo presents a clean, user-friendly layout. At the top, you'll notice clearly labeled navigation tabs, including legal topics, products and services, and attorneys. This structure ensures easy access to key resources. One standout feature is the extensive library of articles covering various legal topics, from estate planning to small business law. These articles are written by legal experts, offering reliable and easy-to-understand information. Moving on to their DIY legal documents, Nolo provides customizable templates for wills, contracts, and other essential legal forms. These templates are not only professionally drafted but also come with clear instructions, making the process straightforward even for those without a legal background. Users can access these templates by purchasing them individually or subscribing to their legal plan for broader access. For those needing professional assistance, Nolo's Attorney Directory connects users with qualified lawyers across various specialties. You can filter by location, expertise, and user ratings, ensuring you find the right attorney for your needs. The pricing structure on Nolo is transparent, with clear details about the costs of their products and services. They offer a variety of payment options, and the value provided is often praised by users in their testimonials. Speaking of testimonials, the reviews from past users frequently highlight Nolo's effectiveness in simplifying complex legal processes. For business owners, Nolo provides specialized resources like guides on starting and running a business, handling taxes, and managing employee relations. These tools are invaluable for entrepreneurs who want to handle legal matters efficiently without incurring hefty attorney fees. In terms of usability, Nolo stands out with its mobile-friendly design and quick loading pages. The website also features a customer support section where users can find FAQs or contact the team directly for assistance. Overall, Nolo offers an excellent combination of legal expertise and accessibility. Whether you're looking for basic legal guidance or comprehensive solutions, it caters to a wide range of needs. I'll walk through a few more key tools and then provide my final thoughts. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more reviews like this. Thanks for watching.